I've walked through shadows, carried the pain. Silent battles left me standing in the rain. The weight of memories I couldn't release, but broken pieces can still find peace. Every scar tells a story I've survived. Every tear was a lesson keeping me alive.